How to use Circle K fuel discount card? Visit a Circle K location and pick up an Easy Pay card. Install the Circle K mobile app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Circle K app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Tap on the menu bar, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, in the app to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings to access your account settings. Within the Settings menu, find and select Rewards Account. Look for an option related to Circle K Easy Pay Card and tap on it. Enter your Easy Pay Card number when prompted in the app. Ensure all information is entered correctly. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the enrollment process for your Easy Pay Card. Once your Easy Pay Card is linked and enrolled successfully, simply swipe your Easy Pay Card at the pump when you fill up at Circle K. You'll automatically receive the fuel discount of 30 cents per gallon at the pump, known as 10 cents immediate rollback, or plus additional 20 cents during the promotional period. Thanks for watching.